Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll show you how to fix video resolution not supported at this time problem on TikTok. So without wasting any time, let's get right in the video. So the cause of this issue is when you film your videos outside of the TikTok app and try to upload it through your gallery, because modern phones can film way over 1080p quality and TikTok only allows video resolution up to 1080p. So when you film your video on higher quality like 4K on your cell phone and try to upload it, the TikTok will not allow that resolution. So simple way to do this is just go to the App Store and type CapCut. So I mostly use CapCut, so you can see I have already downloaded it, but there are a couple of editors that you can download to your preference. Now open up that app and convert that specific video that you want to upload on TikTok and convert it into 1080p, then save it. Now all you have to do is go to TikTok plus, and now you can select the video you want to upload it. That's it for today. Hope this video was useful to you guys, and if it was, leave a like, comment down below what the next video should be on next. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye bye.